All right, today on Free Field Training, we're going to talk about Cobra Cuffs. This is a type of zip cuff that is designed to be more portable than traditional zip cuffs. These take up a whole lot less space. You can slide 3 of them into a 30-round open top or closed top mag pouch, or you can slide them at this length into MOLLE webbing. These are also the only double lockable zip cuffs currently on the market. We're going to take a look at exactly how they work. Cobra Cuffs makes a blue trainer that works really, really well for practicing with the cuffs, but we're going to show you how the real cuffs work today so you can see the double locking mechanism. I'm going to use the white cuffs. Right on here is the double locking mechanism, so we attach these cuffs and then push down on these little locks in order to double lock them so they can't tighten back up again. You take the cuffs out, pop them open, so you create 2 loops just like every other traditional zip cuff. You apply them to the wrists of your compliant subject, and then you grab the loop tab on the back and pull the zip cuffs tight. We then check for fit, making sure we can fit 2 fingers under each side of the zip cuff so we're not cutting off blood circulation to the person that we have in custody, and then we push the double lock mechanism down. Now these cuffs can't get any looser or tighter, locking them in place the way we do with traditional handcuffs to minimize injuries to the subject that we have in custody. Now we can either break the tab on the back, so that way this loop can't get caught around someone's neck and hurt them, or caught on something when we're trying to transport our subject, or we can cut the straps of the cuffs off so that there is no way someone could get in there and pry them and get them tighter or hook themselves on something when we're transporting our offender. To get the cuffs off, just like any other zip cuffs, you can either get a custom-built zip cuff cutter, or you can use the old trauma shear method that I think most people are going to use. You just cut the cuffs off close to the wrist at the apex of where the cuffs come together at the mechanism, and your in-custody person is now free. The link for Cobra Cuffs is down in the description. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And until next week, you guys be safe and take care of each other.